Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Economics Objective Past Question 26. In the long run, as individuals receive higher wages, it causes A. Demand for food to decrease, B. Demand for leisure to decrease, C. Supply of normal goods to decrease, C. Supply of labor to decrease. So we are asked in the long run for the effect of higher wages in the long run. Now, when there is increase of wages or when there are higher wages, so I would say with higher wages, what happens is that workers will give greater value to work than leisure. Now, this is because, of course, there is more benefit to working than leisure. So as time progresses, people will begin to prioritize work over leisure. So this substitution of leisure for work, the substitution effect causes more hours to be worked as wages rise. So because of this effect, the demand for leisure will decrease. So option B, demand for leisure to decrease, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.